From Behind the Scenes by Elizabeth Kelky. Born into slavery, Elizabeth Kelky bought her freedom and started a dressmaking business in Washington, D.C. She became Mary Todd Lincoln's personal dressmaker and close friend. In her memoir, Kelky shares her memories of President Lincoln's assassination, which happened just days after the Civil War ended. During my residence in the Capitol, I made my home with Mr. and Mrs. Walker Lewis. They were people of my own race, and friends in the truest sense of the word. On Friday morning, April 14th, I saw Mrs. Lincoln for a moment. She told me that she was to attend the theater that night with the President. Oh, memorable day! Oh, memorable night! Never before was joy so violently contrasted with sorrow. At 11 o'clock that night, I was awakened by an old friend and neighbor, Miss M. Brown. She reported the startling news that the entire cabinet had been assassinated and Mr. Lincoln shot, but not killed. When I heard the words, I felt as if the blood had been frozen in my veins and that my lungs would collapse. Mr. Lincoln shot! The cabinet assassinated! What could it mean? Outside, the streets were alive with wondering, awe-stricken people. Rumors flew thick and fast. I waked Mr. and Mrs. Lewis and told them that the President had been shot and that I must go to the White House. They tried to quiet me, but gentle words could not calm the wild tempest. They quickly dressed themselves and we went out into the street to drift with the excited crowd.